right, this is it. A true diamond in the rough. It's going to be a lot of work, but she deserves it. $100. Keys. Deal.
The toe strap goes taut, and the 1941 Lincoln Continental lurches forward out of the grandma barn.
Keep it steady. Watch the cables. All right, she's secure. Let's roll. All right, there it is. Look at the state of her. This is going to be a lot of work. It's seen better days, huh? All right. Let's see what we're working with here. That hasn't moved in 50 years. You can see the severe corrosion on these studs. We're going to need to replace them all and address this rusted suspension arm. All right, time to pull this grill. Lots of history in these crevices. You can see the extent of the corrosion here, the cracked insulation, and the dust nests. This wiring is just brittle. All right, there it goes.
That's a lot of weight.
Yeah, it is. Look at this. All right, let's carefully lift this trim. See the condition of this seal? Decades of dirt packed right in there.
All right, scene 24, side trim removal. Let's get into it.
Yeah.
Watch the ghost lines appear, dust edges, hidden corrosion, just as we expected.
41 Lincoln Continental. Let's see what's under here. All right, let's get this seat out and see what we're dealing with. Looks like the mice had a field day in here. The rear bench seat is out, and this is why it needed to come out. Looks like the mice have been busy. All right, time to pull this old carpet back and see what's underneath.
This is where the magic happens, revealing the years of dust and decay. Looks like we've got some brittle wiring to address.
Pull, keep that tension. There it is, good. All right, let's see what we're dealing with back here. Keep it steady, slowly, that's it. Watch that hose, okay? Bringing it down, almost there, good job. All right, here we go. This clamp is really stuck. Careful now, don't break the studs. Got it, just gotta coax it out. All right, let's get this corroded beast out.
Yeah.
Hoses are petrified, and that's the radiator. Definitely seen better days. Keep it steady. Up she goes. Looks good. Let's inspect the bay. All right, that's the transmission off the Lincoln. This is it. Every single part of the 41 Continental laid out, labeled, and ready to bring back to life. Precision is everything. Decades of neglect.
It's going to take some time to reveal what's underneath.
All right, time to tackle this hinge pocket. Look at all this accumulation. That's original blue under there. We're getting close. All right, time to tackle this beast. This stuff melts through everything. Years of sludge just washing away. Looks good, almost there.
Carbon buildup from 41 Lincoln Continental. Hard to get off without the right solvent.
Time for a pre-wash. This Lincoln bumper has seen better days. That should reveal what we're working with.
All right, time to tackle these wheels. Years of brake dust and grime have really set in.
Yeah.
Get this cleaner in there, let it soak a bit. Now, time to scrub.
This is the initial wash. We're blasting away decades of grime to see what we're working with. The rich history of this Lincoln is coming back to life, one careful brushstroke at a time.
The heart of the problem is right here. These are the original chrome trims from the 41, freshly washed. You can see the pitting, the scratches, the years of wear. All right, that's the final pass. Looking good. We're ready for the rinse. The blower's key, that's where all the water hides. Getting it bone dry is the secret to a perfect finish. The shell is clean now, and she's ready for a full assessment. You see that section right there? That's where we need to strengthen the geometry. We'll start with cleaning up these stampings, then reinforce the frame. All right, everything's stripped, everything's clean. Time to make this Lincoln shine again.
Analyze current degradation.
Processing scans.
Focus on seams and perforations.
All right, time to peel this onion and see what's underneath. Here we go, the true form starts to show. That's the real story right there.
All right, let's see how this aligns.
All right.
Just need to push it in a little more on this side.
Perfect.
Perfect, that's a nice tight fit.
All right, let's make this seamless.
All right, let's tackle this door skin. See those waves? We'll use the raking light to guide our work. And there it is, smooth and true, just like it left the factory. You can see the reflection starting to look right. It's almost there. Just a bit more in the corner. That's it, perfect alignment. We got it right where it needs to be. The trunk opening of this Lincoln Continental has been completely restored. The channels are crisp and the edges are reshaped. Refreshed suspension components for the 1941 Lincoln Continental rebuilt on a bench with clean bushings, blasted arms, and fresh hardware arranged in exact order. All right, geometry's looking good. Fresh joints seated properly. This Lincoln's gonna steer like a dream again.
All right, check out the heart of our new project. Freshly machined, ready to sing.
All right, time to install these lubricated main bearing caps with these thread-locked fasteners.
Yeah.
Nice and tight. This is where the lower end really starts coming together. The heart of the Lincoln, back together. Intake and carb restore complete on the 41 Lincoln. Ready for assembly. The heart of the Lincoln, restored to its former glory. That's the finish we strive for. Perfect. The heart of the transmission. Cleaned, refined, ready to make that Lincoln drive like new.
All right, easy does it. Just a little more. Perfect, right on the mark. That's it. Frame and engine, united.
I'm just feathering this out now, refining the contours until the reflections run clean across the surface.
The primer coat is crucial. This high build fills everything, creating one uniform, elegant shape. We're getting close now. Just a final check.
I'm using a dark guide coat to expose any high or low spots in the bodywork.
Yeah.
Once I see where the powder is thick, I'll know where to focus the sanding.
The 41 Continental. Every curve, every ripple scrutinized under the lights. It's ready.
Perfect placement. Now, let's make sure this protection is flawless.
The grille, bumpers, and trim of this 1941 Lincoln Continental are finally complete. The paint correction is flawless. We did it. What a beauty. And here it is, the chassis for the 1941 Lincoln. Solid, rebuilt, and ready for the body. It's perfect. The underbody finish is flawless. All right, lowering. Steady as she goes. Perfect, perfect. All right, perfect. We're gonna lower it down now.
Clear.
And that is a perfect razor clean gap. Excellent work. All right, perfect fit. Just got to get these bolts tightened up. After all this time, the Lincoln's gaze is reborn.
Absolutely stunning.
They're ready.
All right, lowering the rebuilt frame now. Looks like the back latches are aligned. Perfect fit. Locking the front mounts in.
Yeah.
There, the Lincoln's top is restored.
This is a period correct soft top, perfect for the 1941 Lincoln.
Yeah.
Just look at the texture, fits like a glove. Another beauty ready for the road. All right, let's get this perfectly into place. Looking good, Mark. Just a little push here. There, perfect, it's ready. It's looking great, Ken. Perfectly aligned. The steering wheel is home. All right, perfect fit, just like she was back in 41. The rear bench is back in the 41 Lincoln.
Right.
Precise fit, perfect upholstery, and the colors sing.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful work. The door panels are finally complete. Look at these seams and this leather. Beautiful.
All right, slowly. That's it. Looking good. Perfect stance. Nailed it.
The chrome, the glass, the paint, absolutely perfect. Ready to go. After all this time, she's finally ready. Perfect. After countless hours, the regal... And here it is, every inch, spotless and true to its time. The restoration of this 1941 Lincoln Continental wasn't just a project, it was a calling. Look at the lines, the curves, perfect.